Imagine unlocking the secrets to amassing fortunes and mastering the art of money management. We're about to unravel the 8 cardinal laws of money, each a stepping stone to financial freedom. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to become financially free. Ready to transform your understanding of wealth? Let's dive in. Law number 1. Money grows on trees. Have you ever heard the saying, money doesn't grow on trees? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. In the realm of wealth, money does grow on trees, but not the kind you're thinking of. These are the trees of smart investments and businesses that flourish over time, much like the majestic oak that takes decades to reach its full glory. Think of Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, a tiny acorn that grew into a colossal financial oak over a lifetime. This law is about patiently planting and nurturing financial seeds into towering trees of wealth. Law number 2. Expenses are exponential. Picture Elon Musk living off $1 a day in his early days. Now that's financial discipline. This law teaches us that no matter how high your income climbs, your expenses can always stretch to match it. It's a treacherous slope where more money often leads to more spending. The key? Embrace Musk's minimalist approach and learn to live below your means, no matter how tempting it is to upgrade your lifestyle with every paycheck. The more you save on spending, the more you can invest earlier in life, which you'll discover shortly is exactly what you need to do. Law number 3. Money is a lifelong game. Money management isn't a sprint. It's a marathon without a finish line. Just like a house needs constant upkeep to remain livable, your financial assets need ongoing attention to keep generating income. Abandoning them is like leaving a garden unattended. Everything withers away. This law is a reality check. There's no set it and forget it in the world of wealth. Ensure you routinely check in on all your investments to ensure they are healthy and no changes are needed. Law number 4. Money won't solve your problems. Have you ever noticed that the thrill of a new purchase fades quickly? This law exposes the hollow pursuit of buying happiness. It's a cycle that feeds on insecurities, leaving you chasing after the next big thing. True wealth lies in emotional intelligence and self-confidence, not in the latest iPhone or luxury car. Break free from the materialistic loop and discover genuine contentment. This mindset will enable you to invest more earlier in life, which you'll discover soon is the secret to wealth. Law number 5. Harness financial stealth. In a world where wealth often dictates social status, there's a paradoxical power in secrecy. Flaunting your riches can attract the wrong kind of attention: envy, greed, and even legal troubles. Take a leaf from the millionaire's playbook. Stay humble, keep your wealth under wraps, and focus on growing it quietly. You'll gain more respect and industry relationships from a humble work ethic than anything else. Law number 6. Greatest wealth transfers happen during crisis. History is littered with tales of fortunes made during economic downturns. The 2008 financial crisis, for instance, was a disaster for many, but a golden opportunity for savvy investors. This law is about recognizing the potential opportunities in chaos and being prepared to act when the next crisis hits. It's a reminder that the greatest wealth transfers often occur in the most turbulent times. To be prepared for events like this, keep your pulse on financial news and the economic climate. Law number 7. Expenses will inevitably grow. As life progresses, so do expenses, inflation, and competition. What once seemed like a fortune in your teenage years becomes a drop in the ocean as an adult. This law warns against complacency in income growth. Without ongoing and proactive financial planning, you risk being trapped in an endless cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living. Set yourself up for success by creating a long-term financial plan that considers expense escalation as soon as possible. Before we share the final and more important law, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on financial education. Law number 8. Wealth accumulation takes time. The most important law, wealth accumulation takes time. It doesn't rush, it builds gradually, elegantly, through the power of compounding. Starting early is key. Even small investments can grow into fortunes over time. Warren Buffett's billions mostly accumulated after his 55th birthday. This is the power of compound interest. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Embracing patience in your wealth journey will not only set you up for success, but it will lead to a more balanced, present, and fulfilling life.